There are many groundbreaking benefits of using a hearing aid with a microphone and receiver in ear, such as improved localization, speech recognition, and overall improved sound quality. Another benefit of using M&RIE is understanding speech in a windy situation. Today, we will listen to two different sets of hearing aids, ReSound ONE and another brand. First, let's listen to another brand, which has microphones responsible for capturing sounds of the environment located behind the user's ear. Thanks for joining me outside, though I hope it's not too windy. There really is nothing like getting some fresh air. Now, I've replaced another brand's hearing aids with ReSound ONE. ReSound ONE uses 3 microphones, including one placed inside the ear canal. Let's listen to the same scene. Thanks for joining me outside, though I hope it's not too windy. There really is nothing like enjoying some fresh air. As you can hear, the microphone and receiver of ReSound ONE enables better speech understanding in a windy situation. So whether you're out for a run or just enjoying a summer day, you can hear comfortably.